everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into Mediacom email account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into your Mediacom email account, go tap open your web browser. In the search box, type in mediacomtoday.com and search. From the official website, tap on the mail button at the upper right and you'll end up in the sign-in page. You'll need to enter your credentials in order to log into your Mediacom mail account. Type in your username in the first text field that you can see. Now head over to the next field and type in the password. Make sure to type in the valid password for your account. If you type in an incorrect one, you won't be able to log into your account. So, once you type in your credentials correct, tap on sign in order to log into Mediacom email account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.